Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Chalo, today we are going to start with the new lesson number 2 in grammar section, that is naming words. Okay, chalo, let's see what are the naming words. First of all, we'll name the things which we are going to see here in the video. Okay, chalo, now tell me the name of this thing. Yes. Say with me, a ball. What is this? A ball. And what is this? A bat. Say it again. A bat. Very good. Now one more thing. What is this? A box. Say it once more. A box. Okay. So now whenever you say a name of something, then what happens? You are able to see that particular thing. Suppose if I don't show you this picture and I will just say a ball, so you know what is a ball. Okay, if I say a bat, then you know what is a bat. If I say a box, then you know what is a box, how the box looks like. Okay, so all these are what? The names of the things. A ball, a bat, a box is the name of, ball is the name of this thing, bat is the name of this thing, and box is the name of this particular thing. So what did you see? All the things have some or the other name. Suppose at your in your home you have a cupboard. Cupboard is what? The name of the thing. Okay. You look on the ceiling, you have a fan. Okay, so fan is what? The name of that particular thing. You have a dustbin in your house. So dustbin is what? The name of that particular thing. Okay, you have a book. So what is the name? Book. Book is the name of that particular thing. Okay, understood. So everything, whatever you see around you has a name. Okay. Chalo, now let's go on to the next slide. Now name these people. You see this particular person? Yes. What will you call him? Yes, he is a doctor. Okay. Now what is this? Who is this? She is a girl. Repeat after me. A girl. And who is this? A boy. Okay. So that means what? All the people have a name, some or the other name. So suppose if you have a grandmother in your house. So when you say grandma, it is the name of that particular person. Okay. Then grandfather. If you say grandfather, then grandfather is the name of the person. If you have auntie, uncle, brother, sister, okay, all these are what? Names of the persons. Okay, understood? So every person around you has a name. Now name these places. Now look here. What is this? Yes, it is a toy shop. So we can also call it a shop. What is this? A garden. And this place? A house. Okay, that means what? All the places around you, they have a name. Okay, so here I have shown a shop, a garden, a house, but you can go to a temple, you can go to a mall, or you can go to a theater. Okay, so all these are what? These are the names of the places, different places. Okay, so every place has a name. Now animals. We'll see whether the animals have names. Yes, no? So what do we call this animal? A cow. This is a cat. And this is a dog. Okay. So every animal is having a name. This is a cow, a cat, a dog. The other animals are lion, tiger, rabbit, mouse, okay, camel, peacock. So many animals and birds. Everybody has a name. So now the words that tell us the names of people, animals, places, things are called naming words. Okay, once more, say with me, words that tell us the names of people, animals, places, things are called naming words. Okay, in people you saw the doctor is the naming word, doctor is a naming word, boy, girl, these are the naming words. In animals you saw cow, dog, cat, all these are naming words. Then places you saw shop, what else you saw? A house, and one more thing, a garden. One more place is the garden which you saw. So shop, garden and house, all these are names of the places. And then we come to the things. Which things you saw in the first slide? A ball, a bat and a box. All these are the naming words. Okay, do you understand? Each and everything has a name. So these are called the naming words. Now there is one more name for naming words. Okay, that is they are also called as nouns. What are they called? Nouns. Okay, understood? Chalo, we will practice some more. You have to write a correct naming word. I'll show you a picture. What is this? Yes, it is a horse. So horse is the name of this animal. Who is this? Yes, it is a monkey. Monkey is the name of this animal. And which animal is this? A sheep. The sheep is the name of the animal. Okay, one more. A tiger, a zebra, a lion. Okay, so all these are the names of the animals. Now look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct naming words. Okay, now look at this picture. What can you see? You can see a monkey and he is eating some fruit. What is the name of the fruit? Banana. And what is this? It is a tree. So monkey, banana and tree. All these are the naming words. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Chalo, let's see where. A dash is eating a dash. Okay. So now which is the animal? Who is eating a dash? This monkey is eating, hai na? So you'll write here a monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey is eating a, what it is eating? Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Okay. Now look here again. What do we see? This is a dog, this is a puppy, and this is a tree, and this is grass. All these are the naming words. Now let's see what is the question. A dash and its dash are sleeping under a dash. Now a dash is what? A dog. So you'll write there D-O-G, dog, and it's, what is this? What did we say? Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy, are sleeping under a, what is this? Where are they sleeping? Under a tree. So T-R-E-E, tree. Okay. So now in your English notebooks, what you are going to write is, you will copy this question. No need of parents writing the questions for the children. Okay. आई पप्पांना किंवा आई बाबांना हे क्वेश्चन्स लिहून देण्याची गरज नाही. आपल्याला मुलांना प्रॅक्टिस करून घ्यायची आहे. अगदी थोडं थोडं मी लिहायला देणार आहे. ओके. सो लेट देम राईट. त्यांना लिहू द्या. लिहायची प्रॅक्टिस होऊ द्या. आपल्या इथे पहिलीपासून लिहिण्याचं काम वाढतं. मग तुम्ही जर आत्तापासून लिहून दिलं, इफ यू राईट फॉर देम देन दे विल एक्सपेक्ट यू ओनली टू राईट एव्हरी टाइम. ठीक आहे. सो लेट देम प्रॅक्टिस. आय एम गिव्हिंग ओनली लिटिल पार्ट टू राईट. ओके. So please let the child himself or herself write these things. Don't write the questions for them. Need not draw the pictures. हे ड्रॉइंग करण्याची गरज नाहीये. हे काही ड्रॉ करण्याची गरज नाहीये. फक्त हे क्वेश्चंस लिहायचे. जस्ट राइट दिस क्वेश्चंस. ये क्वेश्चंस लिखिए और ये सेंटेंसेस लिखिए. बस ये ड्राइंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो भी यहाँ से इस स्लाइड से चालू होगा. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस in our classroom app assignment. Okay, only this much you have to write. What I am telling you, that much only. Okay, no need to draw the pictures, and only children will write. No need of parents writing all these things. Chalo, let's go to the next one. Look here. Now what are we seeing in the picture? This is a lion. This is a den. What are the things which we are seeing? And this is a grass. Okay. So all these are the naming words. Now let's look at the question. A dash is sitting outside its dash. Now who is sitting outside something? A lion is sitting outside its, what is it called? Den. Okay. Chalo. Let's fill in the blank. A lion, L-I-O-N, lion, is sitting outside its den. Den. Okay, very good. Now look at the next picture. Who is this? Yes, she is a girl, and this one boy. And what are they wearing? Uniform, and they are carrying the bags. All these are naming words. Bag, uniform, girl, boy. Okay, now let's look at the question. A dash and a dash are going to dash. So who are going where? A boy, B-O-Y, boy, and a girl, G-I-R-L, girl, are going to, where are they going? Going to school. School is also a naming word. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Okay, understood? Chalo, next. Now what is this? This is an orange. Okay, and this is a basket. An orange and a basket. Okay, why an orange? Because orange starts with O, which is a vowel, and before every vowel, that O sound, we are using an. Okay, let's see the question. There is an dash in the dash. So what is there? There is an orange in the basket. So let's write in the blank. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, in the B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Okay. Next one. Who is this? It is a duck. This is a pond. Okay, let's see the question. A dash is swimming in a pond. Oh, sorry, I told the answer. A D-U-C-K, duck, is swimming in a P-O-N-D, pond. Okay. So that's all. These are the 6 sentences which you will write in your English notebook. Nothing more, only 6 sentences. Okay. No need to draw the pictures, and only the children will write. So children, you have become a little older. मोठे झालात ना तुम्ही, बड़े हो गए ना आप, तो मम्मा पापा को अपनी बुक में लिखने को नहीं देना. ओके, आप खुद लिखो, आप बड़े हो गए हो. ओके, वेरी गुड. चलो, आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय, सी यू.